Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with Morning Market Stir for Monday, May the 2nd. Weakness to the end of the week last week, down across the board, down 0.5% in the stock indexes with the Nasdaq taking the hit. So the S&P lost 13 but did bounce back 12 off the lows of the session. Dow futures finished Friday down 68. The Nasdaq was down 50, like I said, 1%. The loss there in the week in the NDX 100 index was a loss leader, 3% over the 5 days. The action was in the dollar. The dollar got down to $93, 93.06 was a close, down 67. Giving that euro currency a boost, the euro currency actually gained 160 points on the week. Moving on the week was gold. Gold was up $60 on a weekly basis, closed at $12.90, up 24. Crude oil was unchanged, but hanging around this $45 level, $45.90 was the close, down a dime. So after the stock suffering last week, where do these markets stand here this Monday morning? We're getting a bit of a bounce here, about 0.25%. We're in quiet market conditions. Last week was the big week as far as earnings go. 25 or 30% of the S&P stocks reported. So this week will be relatively quiet in comparison. Right now the S&P futures are up 6, the Dow futures are up 40, and the Nasdaq futures are up 9. The mover again is the dollar, below 93, 92.74, down 32. So the lowest levels that we've seen in this dollar index in more than a year. Euro currency back to the highs, 115.10, up 45. This dollar move to the downside really not helping out crude so far. A delayed reaction, 45.80 down 15 cents. But the movement is seen in gold, up $11, 1301, first print above 1300 in a long time. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market opened, firmness in the stock indexes, up 6 in the S&P, up 40 in the Dow, and up 9 in the Nasdaq for a 0.25% burst here to start the morning on Monday. I will see you early Tuesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.